Breaking news mga kabayan, Iran Supreme Leader papalitan na. President Trump inihayag sa unang pagkakataon ang planong pag-alis sa Khamenei regime para sa ikabubuti at kalayaan ng mga Iranians at sa tuluyang kapayapaan sa gitnang silangan.
You want regime change in Iran?
Well, it seems like that would be the best thing that could happen.
Kinumpirma naman ni President Trump ang pagpapadala ng ikalawang aircraft carrier sa Middle East at bilang babala sa Iran na kapag hindi sila makipagsundo sa Amerika, pwersang militar ang kakaharapin ng Iran military. Mas malinaw na video ng banggaan ng mga barkong pandigma ng Amerika inilabas na, ipinakita rin ng open source ang pinsalang natamo ng mga barko ng hukbong dagat ng Amerika, F-16 multi-role fighter. Wala pa rin kupas kung lakas at bagsik lang ang pag-uusapan. One-way attack drone ng Russia winasak. Japan, dineploy na ang kanilang 100 kilowatt high energy shipborne laser system. China, hanggang parada lang. Pero ang Japan, inilagay na kaagad sa kanilang barkong pandigma. Mas malinaw na video mga kabayan ng pagbanggaan ng dalawang warship ng Amerika inilabas na. Ang Arleigh Burke-class destroyer na USS Truxtun at supply-class fast combat support ship na USNS Supply ay nagkabanggaan sa panahon na ito ay nagsasagawa ng resupply mission. Ayon sa karagdagang impormasyon, bago pa man mangyari ang insidente, nagsasagawa din ng resupply at replenishment at sea ang USNS Supply at ang USS Gettysburg. Ipinakita naman ng open source ang mga larawan ng pinsalang natamo ng USNS Supply sa nangyaring banggaan. President Trump naglabas ng time bomb laban sa Iran Supreme Leader. Ayon sa Pangulo ng Amerika, and I quote, "Regime change in Iran will be best," unquote. Nagbago na ang pananaw ni President Trump dahil walang plano o balak na isuko ng Iran ang kanilang nuclear at ballistic missile program at ang kalayaan ng mga Iranian. Aktual na video, panoorin.
You want regime change in Iran?
Well, it seems like that would be the best thing that could happen. For 47 years, they've been talking and talking and talking. In the meantime, we've lost a lot of lives while they talk, and legs blown off, arms blown off, faces blown off. This has been going on for a long time. So let's see what happens. In the meantime, we have tremendous power has arrived, and additional power, as you know, another carrier is going out shortly. So we'll see it out. If we could get it settled for once and for all, that'd be good.
Who do you want to take over?
What?
Who would you want to take over?
I don't want to talk about that.
There are people.
Kinumpirma naman ni President Trump kung bakit ito nagpadala ng pangalawang carrier strike group sa Middle East. Ayon sa kanya, kapag hindi nakipagsundo ang Iran sa paraan ng diplomasya, gagamit ng puwersang militar ang Amerika.
Aircraft carrier that you decided to send. Talk about why you made that choice.
Well, in case we don't make a deal, we'll need it. If we don't have a deal, we'll need it. If we have a deal, we can cut it short. It'll be leaving very soon. We have one out there that just arrived. If we need it, we have it ready. A very big force.
Following your meeting with Prime Minister Netanyahu yesterday, has your thinking changed at all as it relates to these negotiations with Iran
we
or
have to
the
make a deal.
timeline with Iran?
We have to make a deal, otherwise it's going to be very traumatic. Very traumatic. I don't want that to happen, but we have to make a deal. They should have made a deal the first time, and they got Midnight Hammer instead. And this will be very traumatic for Iran if they don't make a deal. Look, if they don't make a deal, then it'll be a different story. But we had a very good meeting yesterday with Bibi Netanyahu, and he understands, but it's ultimately up to me. If the deal isn't a very fair deal and a very good deal with Iran, then it's going to be I think, a very difficult time for them in the back. I guess over the next month, something like that. Yeah, it shouldn't take, I mean, it should happen quickly. They should agree very quickly, yeah.
Sa ibang balita naman, F-16 fighter jets pinatunayan kung bakit napaka-epektibo nito sa totoong digmaan. Ukraine F-16 multi-role fighter gamit ang AIM-120 air-to-air missile. Winasak nito ang Russian Shahed 136 kamikaze drone.
Ракета пошла. Бачу.
Ipinaliwanag naman ni President Trump kung ano ang dapat gawin ng Iran upang maiwasan itong bombahin ng Amerika.
What can Iran do to avoid attack?
Give us the deal that they should have given us the first time. If they give us the right deal, we won't do that. But, you know, historically, they haven't done that. I will say they want to talk, but so far they do a lot of talking and no action.
Japan, dineploy na ang kanilang 100 kilowatt high energy shipborne laser system. China, hanggang parada lang. Pero ang Japan, inilagay na kaagad sa kanilang barkong pandigma. Laban Pinas.